Hello and thank you for watching this help video. Here I'm going to explain how to find the factored form to this polynomial function, identify the corresponding zeros and their respective multiplicity. We'll begin by factoring this. Notice that we have three terms. We have a trinomial and there's a common factor of x. Note that each one, well, this right here should technically be x to the second power. So let's factor out the common factor of x. So if I factor out the x, I end up with x squared plus 2x plus 1. Now, what we're left off inside this parentheses here is a quadratic trinomial. And those get factored by breaking up into a set of linear factors. So we start by factoring out the x squared. That's x times x. The signs for these are going to both be positive. And since 1 is a prime number, the only way to get factor 1 is 1 times 1. So here's the complete factorization of f of x. It's x and x plus 1 to the second power. Now what are our zeros? Well, to make this equal to 0, we just need 0 right there since we're not adding or subtracting anything. X will end up equaling 0 for that one. Now, what's going to make this equal to 0? Well, the type of one that we need to add with 1 to get 0 is a negative 1. So our next 0 is negative 1. Now, what about the respective multiplicities? How many times is x going to equal to 0? Well, since the factor is raised to the first power, this has a multiplicity of 1. So x equals to 0 only one time. Now, how many times will x equal to negative 1? Well, since the factor of x plus 1 is raised to the second power, that means that x equals to negative 1 a total of 2 times. So our multiplicity is 2, which, as you can see, if you look at this form up there, we see exactly that. We need to have negative 1 to make this equal to 0 one time, and then negative 1 right here to make this equal to 0 second time. So our multiplicity of negative 1 is going to be 2. So this is how you find the factor, the zeros, and the respective multiplicities. I hope this was helpful.